Yes, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Bring, yes, I'm also good. Bring your geometry box for us. Ayan is also having his geometry box. Today we are going to locate these irrational numbers on the number line. Bring your geometry box. Sarah, how are you, Sarah?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Please bring your geometry box, Sarah.
Okay.
Everyone is already having their geometry box along with them. You also bring it.
I have mine right now.
Yeah, okay. Yes, Farhan, let me know once you are having it. Okay. And yeah, Sarah, you also.
I have it now.
Okay, you are having already. Farhan, what about
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Are you having geometry box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now follow my instruction. We are going to locate irrational numbers on number line. Okay. When we have to locate any have to locate any integer on the number line, let's say if the question will be what will be where exactly minus 5 is line. So we understand that 0 a real line is there, and then here negative number minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, and this is where minus 5 is there. This was very simple, we understand that. How to locate the rational number, that also you have learned in the previous class, right? If we have to locate a number 1 by 2, then what we were doing, we were identifying that 1 by 2 will lie in between 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1 we were dividing it in, denominator is 2, so we were dividing it in two parts, and this is what is 1 by 2. In decimal also we can convert it. We understand 1 by 2 means 0.5, right? This is how we were locating the rational numbers on the number line. And in our previous class we were discussing how to locate irrational number on the number line. So let's start with the process. Use your scale. Okay, after doing the construction you have to send me the snap of the page. So do it in a neat and clean way. Okay, so at first we have to make a number line where 0 is here. The question is what we exactly are we going to do? We are going to locate a irrational number, that is root 2, on number line. Okay, we are going to locate root 2 on number line. Previous class I have explained the process, but today you will be doing it with me. Okay, once you will do it, then only you will feel confident. So 0, here we are having 1, here we are having 2, here we are having 3, here we are having 4, here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, like that few numbers you can represent over here. After that root 2 we have to locate. So we were discussing in the previous class that we don't know what exactly is root 2. How much length is root 2? If you will check it in your calculator, we don't know. If you will calculate root 2 with the help of calculator maybe, or with the help of long division method, if you will find the square root of this number, you will see that we will be having decimal number 1.4, and then it will keep on just continuing. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimal number we will be having. So exactly we are not sure how to locate this irrational number, but we can take the help of Pythagoras theorem and we can locate it on the number line. Pythagoras theorem says if you will be able to make a triangle, anyway, if you will be able to make a triangle where one of the side of the triangle you can maintain as a 1 centimeter. Another side if you will be maintaining as a 1 centimeter, then automatically your hypotenuse will come out as a root 2. So far, is it clear to everyone, which we were discussing in the previous class?
Yes.
Yes. Is it clear for Han and Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we will do on this, have you drawn the number line in your copy? Have you drawn Sarah, Ayan and Farhan, the number line which I have drawn over here?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Draw it. First draw it and let me know you are done. Once you are done.
I'm done.
Now what we will do, one of the side, the base BC, we have to maintain as a 1 centimeter. So from here to here, we will be taking as a base of the triangle. Okay, we understand that if one of the side, the base is 1 centimeter, if the height instead of centimeter, I am going to call it 1 unit. Okay, if the height is also 1 centimeter or 1 unit, then automatically the hypotenuse will come out as a root 2. So here we will be dropping a perpendicular. Let's name it like this. Suppose this is B, this is C. Okay, CBBC, whatever you are calling it, just name it like this, BC. Now on this B, we are going to drop a perpendicular. So how to drop a perpendicular? Let me make it clear for everyone. Either you can use the protractor to drop a perpendicular, or you can take the help of compass. Now you tell me, Ayan, Farhan and Sarah, what is instructed in your school? Are you supposed to use the compass, or you can use protractor also?
Ma'am, protractor. Protractor.
And Sarah?
Both.
Both, anything. So let me, protractor is very simple. Compass I am explaining you, if maybe you have forgotten the concept how to make 90 degrees. So first we will, if suppose we are having, this is just the example, you don't have to do along with me over here. Let's try to understand. Suppose we are having a line AB, and on this line if we want to drop a perpendicular, what we will do, we will take an arc, we will take an arc by ourselves. Maybe we can take little bit, like more than half we can take, or any measurement we can take. Okay, the compass, and just placing the needle of the compass at a point A, we will be making an arc like this. Okay, placing the needle of the compass at a point A, we will be making an arc like this. Now without it disturbing the measurement of the compass, what we will do, we will place the needle of the compass at a point O and will make an arc like this. This is how we will be getting 60-degree angle. If you will join this A with this, let's say P, you will be getting 60-degree angle. But we want to plot 90 degree. We want to plot 90 degree. So now we will place the needle of the compass at a point P and will make one more angle. Let me summarize everything. First, we have drawn a straight line. Okay. Then what we are doing, do along with me. Draw a straight line AB. Everyone do it separately. Draw a straight line AB. Any length you can take. AB, any length you can take. I am not telling that this is like there is a particular, you can take it 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, anything you can take. Done? Have you drawn a straight line AB separately?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take any measurement in the compass, any measurement. Just don't keep it very small. Just take any measurement in the compass, and now place the needle of the compass at a point A and make an arc the way I have made. Have you got something like this? Ayan, Farhan and Sara, have you got something like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, let's say this is point O. Now place the needle of the compass without disturbing the measurement at a point O and make an
Ma'am,
arc like this.
Angga Buana. Mana yang berder ketemu?
Done? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
place again the needle of the compass at a point P and make an arc like this.
I'm done.
Done? Now you need to understand that this much is 60 degree, and when we did again the same thing, more 60 degree we got. We are supposed to draw here 90 degree angle. So what we will do, we will, the first 60 is okay, the next 60 we need the half of that. Okay, here we have taken more 60. We don't need this 60, we need the half of that. If 30 we will be having, then 30 and 60 combined together will be 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so the first 60 is fine, but the next 60 we have to do the half of that angle. To do the half of that angle, we will be placing the needle of the compass at a point P, and we will make an arc on the upper side like this. By keeping the needle of the compass at a point P, make an arc on the upper side like this, and try to cut the same arc by placing the needle at a point Q. This is how we will do half every time. Okay, whenever you have to make the half of any angle, you will be placing the needle at one point, you will make an arc upper side. On the other point, you will make an arc upper side. This is how you will be doing the half of the angle. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now, when we will join it with A, that is our 90 degree right angle. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
if in your school compass you are supposed to use, then the whole process you have to do at a point B. Now your question is how we will do on B. So no worries, we will be drawing a straight line like this. If this is point B, we will be placing the needle at B now, and we will make an arc like this. Okay, now we will be placing the needle at O now. We will make one arc, then again one more arc we will make, then we will do the half of this two, like P and Q. How? By keeping the needle one time at a P and then another time at a Q. This is how we will be able to draw 90 degree at a point at B. Are you getting me? The process which we have done at A, that can be done on B also as it is. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if compass you have to use in according to the instruction given in your school, then here at B you have to repeat the whole process. And if protractor is okay, then you can place the protractor over here and you can drop a perpendicular over here. Drop the perpendicular. If protractor is allowed, drop a perpendicular by using a protractor. Please drop it. Done. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Farhan, done. Now already we have seen in the Pythagoras theorem that one BC has to be 1 centimeter and AB also has to be 1 centimeter only. Now in our compass we will be taking 1 centimeter and we will make an arc like this, so that we will be sure that this is just 1 centimeter. Okay, here we are having maybe point A, you can say A point is there, and AB is 1 centimeter we are maintaining. How? We are taking 1 centimeter in the compass and we are making an arc like that. Or directly with the help of a scale also you can mark that this much is in this straight line, which is like quite bigger. In this straight line, this much is 1 centimeter, because we need to take height as a 1 centimeter only. Then only the hypotenuse will come out as a root 2. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we will join A with C, and that is our root 2 unit. That is root 2 centimeter. We will join A with C like this. We will join it, and this is root 2 centimeter. We previously it was not at all possible to get what exactly is root 2. We don't even know in reality. Your calculator will also not be able to give the complete value of root 2. Why? Because it is non-terminating decimal number. Again and again, again and again, decimal number, like after decimal numbers will keep on coming and keep on coming and keep on coming. And in calculator also there is a specific like uh, this much digit only we can get it, maybe 6 digit number, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 digit, but after that it will not reflect you the data. If you want me to show it to you, I will show it to you. Okay, so root 2, this is AC is root 2. We got to know accurately, this is accurate root 2 measurement we will be having in our compass. And then we can take this AC, this measurement completely, we can measure in it in the compass, and we can make an arc on our number line. So if you will make an arc, maybe here you will be able to make an arc. Take the measurement AC in the compass and make an arc from point C, from zero make an arc on the number line. Are you done with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will say this is the location of root 2. This is where root 2 is lying. This is the accurately. This is the place of root 2 on the number line. This number line doesn't mean that it will only contain the integer, it will only contain rational number. It is basically a real line. It is basically a real line. It will contain all the decimal number, fractional number, terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. Everything is just on this number only. And if it will ask in the question to locate root 2, this is how we will be locating root 2. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the question was, when we have to locate root 3, then what we will do? If we have to locate root 3 on the number line, then again we will start with what? So to locate root 3 on number line, or on this number line is also called real number line. Okay, real line. So When we have to locate root 3 on the number line, we will be having such a triangle, maybe like this. Okay. Here, if we will maintain one of the side as a root 2 unit and another side as a 1 unit, then automatically the hypotenuse, let's say this is triangle PQR, automatically the hypotenuse will come out as a root 3. So what we need to do here, we have to take a triangle, again right angle triangle. Base we will be maintaining as a root 2. Height we can take as a 1 unit. Base and height you can interchange also. You can interchange. Height you can take root 2 and base you can take 1. Still your hypotenuse will come out as a root 3. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one of the side in between base and height you have to take root 2. Another side you have to take 1 unit and then automatically your hypotenuse will come out as a root 3 unit. Now how we will be having root 2? So this root 2 which you are having over here, you can use that. Okay, at first you can draw this complete diagram. Okay, the complete location of root 2, you can locate it over here, and then in the next figure you can use this root 2 distance. This much distance is root 2 that you can use over here in the next figure. So what you can do, you can take again the number line 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, and root 2 you can measure it in the compass and you can just mark it over here that this is the location of root 2. Okay, let's say this is point, let's say this is point, this is point P, this is point Q. This is the location of root 2 and this is Q. How you got to know location of root 2? Just now you have drawn and located root 2. So to locate root 3, at first, are you going to locate root 2? Yeah. Either you are going to locate it in the separate figure and in the separate figure you can locate root 3, or together also you can do it. That I am coming to that point which I was explaining in the previous class, that here in the same figure you can locate root 3. That also you can do, but let's do it separately for now. So root 2 measurement which you are having in the, like you can take in the compass from here, AC is root 2. That much you can take in the compass and you can locate root 2 over here. Are you done with that? Let me know once you are done with that.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sarah and Farhan done.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now what you can do, we understand that one of the side has to be root 2, another side is 1. So the way we have made a perpendicular with the help of protractor, a 90-degree angle over here, same way you can make the 90-degree angle. Please make it. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this perpendicular which you have dropped over here, that has to be 1 centimeter. So please make it 1 centimeter by using your compass, or directly you can measure 1 centimeter over here and you can mark it point maybe R. Done, Sarah, Ayan and Farhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you will join this P and R, automatically this hypotenuse PR will be of root 3 unit. This is how separately we have drawn and located, like root 3 we got, PR is root 3, that much we can take the measurement in the compass and we can make an arc over here. And we will say this black mark is the location of root 3. Located. PR, you need to take it in the compass and then by placing the needle at a point P, that means 0. By placing the needle at 0, you need to locate root 3. Are you done, Ayan, Farhan and Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are done, let's do it other way, which I was explaining in the previous class. Sarah, are you done, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's locate it over here only. So as I was explaining in the previous class, that here in the same figure also it is possible to locate root 3. Okay. What we can do, we can take AC as a base, and on point A now we will be dropping a perpendicular. So keep the protractor at a point A and drop the perpendicular over here. Maybe your perpendicular will look like this. do it at a point A, drop the perpendicular. Protractor you need to place over here. Let me draw the protractor. Like this you have to place. Okay. So that 90-degree directly you will be able to get over here. Mark it 90-degree and draw big straight line. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. That is 90-degree. Done. Sarah, Farhan and Ayan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in this straight line we need to keep it 1 centimeter because we realize that Pythagoras theorem says that one of the side has to be root 2 centimeter, another side has to be 1 centimeter, then only the hypotenuse will come out as a root 3. So please maintain 1 centimeter over here. Done. Ayan, Farhan and Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now we will join, let's say this is point M. Now we will join point C with point M, and this is root 3 unit. Join it. Take root 3 measurement in your compass and locate it on your number line. Take root 3 measurement on your compass and locate it on the number line. Whoever is not having compass, you can take the measurement in the scale and you can locate it on the number line. The scale is not the appropriate way of taking the measurement. Compass, anyway you need it. Are you able to locate root 3? Are you done? Ayan, Farhan and Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay, if you are done, let me show you something. Why this much of hassle? Let me show you. Can you see the calculator?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me show you why this much of like process and all. Why cannot be? There is other way of doing it. I am telling you there is no other way. No other way. Why no other way? If we will be taking square root 2, can you see the value is 1.4142135562?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the capacity of calculator. As much as digit the calculator can show, it has shown. But this is not the actual value. This is not the actual value of root 2. It will be 1.4142135562, and after that the number, there are infinite numbers. It will never ever stop. The calculator is showing the result according to its capacity, that this much digit after the decimal only the calculator will show, and that's why we are able to see only this much digits, but there are infinite numbers after the decimal. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's why we don't know how to locate it. Our scale, our calculator, nothing will help us to accurately locate it. Okay, that's why Pythagoras theorem we are taking help, and that's why this much of hassle we have to do. If you will be taking root 3, calculator will show you the result according to its own capacity. This is the capacity of the calculator. If you will check it in your PC's calculator, maybe one less digit, one more digit it will show, but it will show according to its capacity. Actual value of root 3 is not this one. This is the approximated value of root 3. Actually, it is, there are infinite numbers after the decimal. And that's why Pythagoras theorem we are using to locate root 2, root 3, root 5, like all the irrational numbers. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
since we are doing the construction only, let's do one more construction. Irrational number, already we have discussed that how to locate root 2, how to locate root 3. Previous class, Madiha was asking me, ma'am, how to locate root 5 then? If you understand the process, you by yourself, you will be able to create root 5 as a hypotenuse. Check it, that if you will be taking one of the sides, suppose I am taking a triangle. Okay, the name of the triangle, just a second, the name of the triangle is MNO. Okay, the name of the triangle is MNO. If we will maintain one of the side as, let's say, 2 unit and another side as a 1 unit, can you tell me what will be the hypotenuse? Ayan, Farhan and Sarah. See, today I'm going it very slow because previous class I believe that very like we were doing it quick. So I thought to explain, take a pause and explain you first. Yeah, tell me what will be the hypotenuse M. Yes, Ayan, Farhan and Sarah. Use Pythagoras theorem. Find the hypotenuse M. What are you getting as a MO? Pythagoras theorem, you know, right? Base square plus height square is equals to hypotenuse square. Do you know that? Ayan, Farhan and Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Find MO. What are you getting as a MO? If Mn is 1, if NO is 2, MO will be, let's do it. NO is 2, 2 square. Mn is 1. MO we have to find. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. MO square is still we have to find. 4 plus 1 is 5, right? Is equals to MO square. What will be MO then? Under root 5 can we say, can we? Ayan, Farhan and Sarah, can we say MO, the hypotenuse? You can write it in this side if you are not sure about the writing it on the other side. Basically, the hypotenuse will be root 5. Yes or no? If we are taking one of the side as a 2 centimeter, another side as a 1 centimeter, hypotenuse we are getting as a root 5 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so if we have to locate root 5, we will be taking the help of this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this right angle triangle, we will be able to take the help. We will be able to take the help of this right angle triangle. I mean that. Okay, so a number line you will draw. On the base, you are trying to locate only 2, which is comparatively very simple. Okay, only 2 we know. From 0 to 2 is 2 unit, 2 centimeter. You can name it, let's say A, you can name it B. From A to B is 2 centimeter. Yes or no? Yes or no? From A to B it is 2 centimeter. Yes or no? If you are drawing a number line. Yeah. Now on B you have to drop a perpendicular. And that you have to maintain 1 centimeter. If you will join, let's say this is point C. If you will join A with C, that will be root 5. So locating root 5 doesn't require the help of other number, right? Directly we can take one of the side as a 2 unit, another side as a 1 unit, and then we just have to join them to get root 5 unit. Yes or no? Now whatever root 5 hypotenuse length is there, that we will measure in the compass, and then we will make an arc on the number line. And we will say this is the location of root 5. Getting it? So root 5 draw करने के लिए root 2 या root 3 स्टार्टिंग से ड्रॉ नहीं करना पड़ रहा है. रूट 2 ड्रॉ करना था तो इजीली हमने रूट 2 प्लॉट कर दिया, लोकेट कर दिया. देन रूट 3 लोकेट करना था तो पहले रूट 2 लोकेट किया, फिर जाके रूट 3 लोकेट कर पा रहे थे. अब जब रूट 5 लोकेट करना है तो इसमें किसी की हेल्प नहीं लग रही है. डायरेक्टली 2 और 1 मिलके हाइपोटेनियस 5 बना दे रहा है. तो डायरेक्टली वन ऑफ द बेस वी आर मेंटेनिंग एज अ 2 सेंटीमीटर, हाइट वी आर मेंटेनिंग एज अ 1 सेंटीमीटर, और अच्छे से आराम से हमें मिल जा रहा है हाइपोटेनियस विच इज ऑफ लेंथ रूट 5 centimeter. Getting it, Sarah, Farhan, and Ayan?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
send me the snap of the portion which you have done today in our class. Okay, the picture of that, you have to take the picture and you have to send on our WhatsApp number. The number through which you get the link of the classes, on the same WhatsApp number, you have to send the snap of the portion where you have done the construction. Sarah, Farhan and Ayan, please send the picture. Let me check meanwhile if you will be able to give the assessment. Sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Farhan and Sarah sent. Today already we have activated the assessment which is related to rational number. Please give the assessment and let me know if you are having any doubt in rational number, because now we are discussing irrational number. Few more concepts we will discuss and then you will be able to give the test of irrational number also. Okay, so please send it. Sarah, have you sent it?
Could I send it a bit later? I don't have the device where WhatsApp
Yeah,
is.
sure. Sure, just after the class you can send me. I'm going to keep it this much. In the next class, I wanted to discuss the geometrical representation of one more, uh, like a square root number, the decimal number. But that we will freshly discuss from the next class, because today if we will start, we won't be able to finish it today. So we will be taking it in the next class. Today I am keeping it this much. Please go ahead and give the assessment and let me know if you are having any doubt in any of the concept. And yeah, send me the snap afterwards, Sarah. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
You take care. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aya. Hi Ziana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you tried the concept which I was talking about in the previous yesterday's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you was able to do it or not?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me take one example and let's check. It is chapter 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we were discussing in the previous class this concept. Just a second. Yeah. One of the sequence looks like this. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2. We have to check whether it's in AP or not. Let's check it quickly whether it's in AP or not. Is it in AP?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the common difference you are getting, Ziana?
Ma'am, root 2.
Exactly. It's in AP and the common difference is root 2. Can you tell me the next term, Ziana? What will be the next term?
Um, Ma'am, 3 plus 4 root 2.
Perfect. What will be the next term?
3 plus 5 root 2.
Perfect. And what will be the next term?
3 plus 6 root 2.
Perfect. This is how we have to check whether the sequence is in AP or not. If it is in AP, what is the common difference? And after finding the common difference, we also have to write the next three term if it is in AP. Let's do the same for the next one. Tell me, Ziana, whether it's in AP or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it in AP?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not in AP. When we will do root 6 minus root 3, root 9 minus root 6, whatever calculation we will try doing, it will not be possible. Like both the result will not be same. Even if we will try taking common, maybe root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. Even if we will do this much of common factor and whatever we will do, it will not be in AP. Okay. 9 can be written as only 3, 6 can be written as root 2 root 3. If we will take out root 3 common, it will not come out in AP. So if it is not in AP, then no need to worry about the common difference and the next three terms. Next one, is it in AP?
Ma'am, no.
No. Let's check it. A2 minus A1. Okay. Root 18 minus root 8. Root 8 can be written
Ma'am.
as 2, 2 root 2 minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Siana?
Yes, ma'am.
And root 18, how can we write 18? 9 2 times 18.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
9 will come out as a 3. And 8, we know it is 2 root 2. So can we write 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2? That is just root 2. Here also just root 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's check for the next one also because we are going to declare it as AP. So every like term must have the same common difference. So root 32 minus root 18, which will be root 32 can be written as 16 2 times 32. So 4 root 2 and 18 we know already 3 root 2. So common difference is root 2, right, Siana?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, it's in AP. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the common difference is root 2. It's in AP. Common difference is root 2. Now, what will be the next three terms? Can you tell me, Ziana?
Uh, 1 second.
This root 32 can be assumed as a 4 root 2.
Ma'am, the fifth term will be 5 root 2.
6 root 2, 7 root 2, right? And if we have to write the
Yes,
simplified form, then this 5 we can push it inside the square root sign. It will be 25. That means root 50, right, Siana?
yes, ma'am.
And then 36 into 36 into 2, 72, 49 into 2, 98. Like this also we can write it, right, Zian?
Yes, ma'am.
There is one more way to write these terms, the yellow blank spaces. If we are calling A1, A2, A3, A4, then for A5, for fifth term, the formula can be write Zian, A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Can we?
Ma'am, isn't it 4 minus 1? Yeah, 5. Yes, ma'am.
This one. So this is also just the other way of finding the next term, right, Sian?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do check for the next one. A square, A cube, A to the power 4. Is it in AP?
Ma'am, it's not an AP.
It's not in AP. Next, is it in AP? Copy down the terms. Ziana.
Yes, ma'am.